Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I'm really excited to get this video over and done with because I've been purchasing some lash stuff that I am running low in stock, and also some new lash items that I've been keeping my eye on. Let's dive right in. Starting with 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑹, I purchased, of course, the OG lashes. These are by far my favorite lashes at the moment. They come like this. They do like little bubble wrap. They put their little sticker. The ones I got, if you are interested, is C and D curl. I got 0.7, 0.15s, and I got lengths all the way from like 9 to 13, 14s. They look like this. They come individually wrapped by themselves. I was gonna toss this down here, but let me slowly place it down there. So they come like this. This one right here is C.15 and 9mm. You open it up. They also have mixed trays, but right now I already know what lashes I need, so I buy individual trays. A little wasteful if you ask me, but still super cute and super prestige. You go down like that. It has your little paper carton, and these are the lashes. 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑹 OG Faux Mink Professional Lashes, and they look like this if you look at them from the top. Let me cover my face so you can focus on this. So that's how they look from the top. They have like a little easy grip here that you can just pop them open really easily, and they look like this on the inside. Super pretty, super luxurious. So these are the lashes that I got from 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑹. The next package is from Beautiful Wands. This is going to be more of your custom aftercare kits. So if you guys want to brand yourself, definitely go check her out. I have made my aftercare kits with her before. I did switch over to 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑹 for a while, but now I am coming back to making my own, and I'm really excited. So this is how it looks. Look how cute. It says be your own kind of beautiful. You open it up. I love when brands have their own custom packaging. It just feels so cute. Her little tissue paper is so cute. It says be beautiful in gold. So we open her up. Oh my god, how cute. So I got some custom lash brushes so your guests can use with their foam cleanser. I got something from Ruthie Bell. Oh my god, look, she like customizes all her little things. I think this is the cutest thing ever. Look at this mask, baby pink with rhinestones. Definitely me. I love this so much. She also has jewelry. At LashCon, I purchased some jewelry from her, so if you want some like lash jewelry, go check her out. Got some Prolong to make my aftercare, and then this is the foam bottles. Look how cute they are. They say Jessica Lashes. They're white with a rose gold top. So I'm saying, if you guys want to make your own aftercare kits that are customized to your aesthetic, go check her out, because there is a ton. Like, I've seen her make some really cool green, purple, different kind of branding. Whatever your aesthetic is, you guys can go to her and she could customize your aftercare kits for you. And I feel like this is amazing for your guests, just to always have your brand in their mind. You know, like when they're washing their lashes, they're gonna see Jessica Lashes, and it's just so cute to like customize everything for your studio. So go check her out. My next package is from Amazon. I buy so much stuff from Amazon. I always purchase my adhesive rings from Amazon. I keep them in a little container like this. So the ones that I like, I do have an Amazon storefront where you guys can purchase everything that I've ever purchased from Amazon. I have it linked in my description box in all my videos, so it's always there for you guys. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, I dropped something else. Okay, so this is how the adhesive ring looks. It has two wells. So putting adhesive on one side and kind of tilting it towards me while I'm lashing, so like this, it keeps the glue super duper fresh and very bundled together, versus other adhesive rings that is just like one giant hole and it kind of doesn't keep your adhesive as fresh and as together. I also have these little bad boys here that I don't use as often, but they look like this, like a little flower. And these, what you can do is you put the adhesive in the center right here, and with the little flower type of things right there, you can make mega fans. What you do is like you'll pick up like 15, 16, 17.3 lashes. You dip it in a little bit of adhesive and you kind of like swipe the base on the little flower things, and it just like fans out your lashes like crazy. What I do is I'll do like a little glue dot, kind of like the Borboleta bubbles. I'll put it on my lash palette and place this on the corner, and these adhesive rings are really cool as well. So I have both of them right here, and like I said, I'll have both of those glue rings, glue wells, whatever you would call them, in my Amazon storefront. Let me pick up my box that just fell. The next thing I have in here is my ring light. I love, love, love using my ring light when I am doing lash photos. Unfortunately, the one that I had that was exactly like this, my husband broke. So I had to purchase another one. And the one that I have currently kind of sucks. Like, it works, it's good, but literally in like, I want to say like a month, I need to replace the batteries. So this is how it looks, the one that I have been using for a while. It's still perfectly fine, but it is completely dead, and I need to always be replacing the batteries. They are AAA batteries that I use on this little ring light, but I don't want to be doing that because by the time you need to replace the batteries, it starts dimming. Like, it starts getting very, very, very dim. So in the past, I've had a ring light that looks like this, and you just charge it on the top with like a little USB charger or whatever. Can you see there? And this one comes with it, so you just charge it. It's a rechargeable battery. You just charge it. It's a little bit more pricey. I think it's like $15 compared to this one that's $8, but this one's way better because every night I'll charge something different. So I'll charge my Nano Mister one night, the next night I'll dry like my bladeless fan, and then now, oh, hopefully it didn't break. Now I could charge my ring light. And wait, let me see if it even turns on or if I need to charge it. There you go. You see, even though it fell, look how bright that is. This is like super duper bright. I really, really enjoy this, and it stays this bright until you need to charge it. Well, for me, it never went less than that bright because, like I said, I would always charge it every other night and it would stay super bright. This one, within like 3 weeks, it starts dimming, and then out of nowhere I come in and it just doesn't turn on, and I don't want to have to keep replacing the battery. So like I said, this one's like $8, but then you have to continuously purchase batteries. This one is about $15, and you don't have to replace the batteries at all. You just charge it and then it stays super duper bright. There's 3 settings, like I said. I never said it, but there's 3 settings: light, medium, and then super bright. So I really, really like that. Again, it'll be linked down on my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase either or. Now, I got some of these. These are disposable, lightweight face shields. I've been seeing them all over Instagram and I wanted to try them out. So, let me see. I keep dropping almost everything, guys. Okay, so they look like this. They come in this little packaging and they look like this. So you open them up, and what these are for is that sticky right here? Let's see. Okay, yeah, you take this little thing off. Okay, that's kind of sticky. And what you do is you place it here on your guest like this. So when you're doing their lashes and they're breathing, or if they're talking, whatever, the moisture of their mask, their mouth, doesn't go towards the lashes or towards you. Right now, if you are able to lash, because, you know, and the pandemic we're going through, if you're able to lash, I'm so happy for you, and you should try to invest in some of these just to protect yourself a little bit more, and just in case, you know, we can never be too safe. So having something like this is super cool. It's kind of flimsy, so it's easily disposable, but I wanted to try these out. And go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be trying these on my guests. Of course, not this one anymore because I put it on my face, but I'll be definitely trying them on my guests and letting you know over on Instagram how it works, if the tape stays down, if I need to tape it more, because I have seen some pictures of people like taping it even more. And now we are on to my Untamed boxes. So let's dive right in. Let me open this. So inside, it always says right here, dare to be different. We get some stickers. These stickers are new and different. So we get here some cleansing brushes, boba, a camera, your undo is right here, and it's so cute because it says right here, down to fan, are you DTF? These are stickers you can place anywhere and everywhere. We also get your little instructions on how to take care of your adhesive. We get a little tip card that says, seamlessly attached base provides maximum retention. Check out our YouTube video, how to achieve perfect eyelash extension placement. How cool. And this is packaged with love by Jenny. Thank you so much, Jenny, for packaging my order. And we also got a little UA paper clip. I am so obsessed with these little paper clips. They're so cute. So once we open her up, this tissue paper I never throw away. I always keep because it's so beautiful. I'm like, I need to keep it. So of course I got myself retention adhesive because it's my favorite. Guys, look at the packaging on the back. The packaging color used to be this peachy color. Now they changed it to black and I am living for it. This is so chic. So pretty. So this is my favorite adhesive. It is the retention adhesive by Untamed Artistry. Literally my favorite adhesive. Next thing that we got in here is I ordered some more pro-made lashes, pre-made volume fans. These are in the curl D 0.7 and this is a 5D fan, so you get 5 extensions. And it is lengths 8 through 12. And then I also got myself a little lash mirror. I really like all these little gimmicky products for lash extensions. I feel like it makes my lash game and my lashing day so much more spectacular. So this is in the color pink, my favorite color. Can you guys see the color? It is so beautiful. It's like this blush pink, and it is for my right-handed people. I have a lash mirror right now, and it is for left-handed, so anytime I place it like on my hand, it just feels weird. This one, once I go like this or like this, it's so easy to see the lashes, and it's so pretty. It's like a perfect size, super cute, gonna match my decor for sure. Now let's go into the bigger package. In here it says, creativity knows no boundaries. How cute. So again, we get a little tip. And again, packaged by Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. Look at you working hard. Some tissue paper. Of course, I'm going to keep that tissue paper. And I got my fave my fave under eye gel pads. These are the undies, and this is just the regular size, not the mini undies. My favorite under eye gel pads. I also got some Untamed Artistry undo. So I had gotten some packages in my welcome box, but I wanted to repurchase some more just so I can have it nice and fresh. I did have a remover from 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶𝒀, but I've had it for about 6 months to a year, and I was like, how fresh can that be? So I tossed it away and got myself some undo. I feel like this is going to be a lot more fresh because you use one package on both eyes. The smell on this is fabulous. The color is pink. It's a cream remover, so it doesn't move around. It just stays where it's at, and it comes in this cute little packaging with, how many come in here? 20 of them. And I don't do that many lash removals. I do maybe one every like 3 months, if that. So I feel like this is gonna keep my remover super fresh versus having it in a little bottle or in a little jar that I've seen before, that you like open it and then it is exposed to the air and exposed to I don't know what, that could grow fungi, or I'm not sure. I'm just freaked out by that. Last but not least, I got some lash palettes from Untamed Artistry. They look like this. So if you guys can see back there, those black boxes, those are my current lash palettes. It's about, I want to say like 5 to 6 in a box. I'm thinking about just slowly investing in a lot of these, and then once I'm done using those boxes, I could give them away to one of you guys, so keep an eye out on that. But if you guys are interested in like a bigger box where all your lash palettes can fit in, 𝒀𝑗𝑚𝑚 definitely has some like that. I feel like these are a little bit better because for me, I like to pro make at home. So if I want to pro make, let's say C.5, I can take my lash palette that has C.5. If I want to try D.7 and pro make those, I can take my lash palette that only has that, versus taking a whole box of lash palettes that I don't need. I could just take one of these. These are super cute. They're super sanitary. Once you start opening them up a little bit, they start getting looser. At first they are a little bit tight, but they look like this. They don't have any numbers on them. That's what I really enjoy about these. It also says right here on the side, dare to be different. So I really love these little lash palettes by Untamed Artistry. You can purchase them by 3, $65, or you can purchase one by one. I do have a coupon code with Untamed Artistry. You can use Jesicavxo for 10% off, I believe. I don't receive anything. I just wanted a code for you guys so you guys can purchase some of my favorite things from the brands that I love. All my coupon codes are always down below. Most of them are just Jesicavxo, but like I said, if you ever want to find any codes, they are linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am now off to go vote. Once you're watching this, you still have a couple days to vote, so if you have not voted yet, go vote before voting day. Right now we're in early voting, so yeah, go vote. But if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I could know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And go check me out on Instagram because I have 2 more packages that I was supposed to receive today and I have not received. So I'll be unboxing those 2 boxes over on Instagram, and so you guys can know if the little lash shields work for me. But other than that, I love you. Oh, you guys can subscribe to my channel. Click my face right here and you're subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.